I'm Daisy of Dumaguete InfoNet Service. In this video, you'll be learning on how to apply for an NBI clearance online. You will also learn the different requirements and so much more. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. What is an NBI clearance? The National Bureau of Investigation, or NBI, is an agency of the Philippine government under the Department of Justice. They are responsible for handling and solving major high-profile cases that are in the interest of the nation. The NBI clearance is used as proof of identity. You can also use your NBI clearance to apply for a business permit or an SSS membership. What are the requirements for an NBI clearance? At least 2 valid IDs. These include passport, voter's ID, driver's license, SSS ID, PRC license, PhilHealth ID, school ID, postal ID, GSIS UMID ID, tax identification number or TIN ID, senior citizen's card, authenticated birth certificate, alien certificate of registration or copy of your previous NBI clearance, online appointment and payment received. For renewal, you will also need your previous NBI clearance. How to apply for an NBI clearance online. Step 1. Register your account to the NBI Clearance online. Make sure you go to NBIClearance.com or check our video description for link and register an account using your existing email account or personal email address. On the register, if new applicant, click No. After filling up all the required fields, you can now click the I accept terms of services to agree on their terms of service. Then click the sign up button to go to the next page. For renewing and still have an old NBI ID number, check Yes. Then fill up the fields, then click Proceed button to go to the next page. Step 2. Enter your OTP or one-time password. An OTP or one-time password will be sent to you via your email or mobile number. The NBI Clearance Online are now using OTP to confirm the applicants who are registering on the website to prove that they are not a robot and protect the web application. If you cannot receive the OTP on your email or text, you can try to resend again and make sure the mobile number or email you use to register is correct. Step 3. Fill out your application form. Fill up all the fields of application information, contact details, family background, and other information. After filling up the NBI Clearance application form, you can now click the Save Information button. By clicking the Save Information, it will show the summary of your information and you need to double check. If one of your information is wrong, you can still have a chance to edit it by clicking the Edit button. After editing and checking the summary information, click the Apply for Clearance button. Step 4. Schedule an appointment. Choose the nearest NBI clearance branch to you and the most convenient for you. After selecting the NBI branch, you can now choose the date and time from AM or PM and depending on the available slots. Step 5. Pay your NBI clearance transaction. On the right side of the schedule screen, you can see the amount of your NBI clearance, appointment schedule, and the different types of payment options. If you choose Bayad Center or 7-Eleven after you click, a new window will pop out and the reference number will show together with the total amount. Write down your reference number and present to the branch in which you want to pay. Check the status of your NBI clearance online and see if the status is changed from pending to paid. Step 6. Personally go to the NBI office on your date of appointment. Don't forget to bring at least 2 valid IDs and bring also your NBI Clearance online reference number and your NBI Clearance online payment receipt. An officer will take your biometrics data including your fingerprints, digital signature, and picture. After you've done your photo capture and biometrics, you need to wait until your NBI clearance is printed and your name is called. Congratulations! You now have an NBI clearance. Please take note that we are not the NBI office. For questions and further assistance, please contact the nearest NBI office around you. Did you find this video helpful? Let us know in the comments section. I am Daisy of Dumaguete Infonet Service. See you in the next videos.